Hello children, we have to study the new topic. The name of the new topic is continued proportional. Continued proportion. See now, the continued proportional having the three terms a, b and c. When a as to b is equal to b as to c, then it is known as the continued proportional. See now, the first term a is known as the first term. Then b is known as the mean term or mean proportional, and c is known as the third term or third proportional. See now, a as to b is equal to b as to c. We can write this a upon b is equal to b upon c, or we can take the cross multiply. B into b is equal to a into c. That means b into b means b square, a into c means ac, and we can find the value of b. So b is equal to root ac. So on the basis of this, we can find the mean proportional. See now, we can see the one example number 6. So 1 upon 18 and 1 upon 8, we have to find this mean proportional. So let the required mean proportional be x. We have understood, that means we have considered mean proportional is equal to x. So what are the terms? Then 1 upon 18, x, and 1 upon 8 are in continued proportion. So we can write down this in proportional format, which is 1 upon 18 as to x as to 1 upon 8. So here when we have to write down, it is in continued proportion. So square of middle term, that means x into x, is equal to 1 upon 18 multiplied by 1 upon 8. That means x square is equal to 18 into 8 is 1 upon 44. So we have to find the value of x, then take the square root of both sides. So x square having the square root x, and 1 upon 44 having the square root 1 upon 12. So required mean proportional is 1 upon 12. Okay. So based on this continued proportional, we can see the one small video. See now, this is link for you. That means we will see the one video on this. So the simple video is that continued proportional when we have to study. See now, this video will helpful to you. That means we will see the continued proportional. See now,
the ratio 1 by 2 equals 4 by 8. Equal ratios simply mean proportion. We say that the numbers 1, 2, 4 and 8 are in proportion. 1 and 8 are the extremes and 2 and 4 are the means. The product of the extremes is always equal to the product of the mean. If A, B, C and D are in proportion, then A by B will be equal to C by D. We had also seen another type of proportion. 4 by 8 is equal to 8 by 16. Both ratios equal half. Do we say that 4, 8, 8 and 16 are in proportion? We say that 4, 8 and 16 are in continued proportion. When P, Q and R are in continued proportion, we can say that P by Q is equal to Q by R. Let's move to a new page. We saw that if P, Q and R are in continued proportion, then P by Q is equal to Q by R. The product of the extremes is always equal to the mean proportional squared. Here, P times R will equal Q squared. Now here's an interesting question. Can four terms P, Q, R and S be in continued proportion?
so see now. So based on this topic, we can see the examples on the continued proportional. See now, I have taken the one example. See the first example, x, y, z are in continued proportion. Then which of the following is true? So see now, where the middle term is repeated, in in question 1 having the 4 sub problems. So in that 4 problems, which question having the middle term should be repeated? That means that question, only in that question there is a continued proportional. See now, first one, x has to y is equal to x has to z, middle term is not repeated. Second one, here is also middle term is not repeated, but in third one, x has to y is equal to y has to z, only the